In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Roblox low memory warning on mobile, including error code 292. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Let's go ahead and get started though. First, if you do have Roblox already open on your iPhone and Android, go ahead and swipe up and then swipe out of it to fully close the app. From here, go to your iPhone's settings app and go to the general tab and then find this option for background app refresh and open it up. If this is turned on for Wi-Fi and cellular up at the very top, go ahead and switch this to off, and this is going to stop other apps from using memory in the background. Now from here, return to the General tab and scroll up and select iPhone storage. And up at the very top, you're going to want to check your available space. If you are under 1 gigabyte of free space, you are going to need to delete some apps or files to make room. If you've got plenty of storage though, go ahead and scroll down on this page until you find Roblox on here. This is going to be alphabetically sorted, so find it on here, and what you're going to want to choose is this offload app option right here. Offload the app, and then you're going to need to return to that app store and reinstall it, because this is going to clear out the cache and temporary files while updating Roblox to the latest version. For Android users, do the exact same thing, but go into your app settings and clear the cache and clear storage for Roblox. And once that's done, go ahead and back out of that and reopen up Roblox, and you should be ready to get back to playing. Your low memory warning should now be gone. But that's it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But that's going to be a quick and easy fix for the low memory warning or error code 292. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Roblox guides just like this. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.